Quick reading for January the 19th to the 20th, Taurus. So we have the 10 of Pentacles, the 9 of Pentacles, and the 7 of Cups. So ang nakikita natin dito, merong mga bagay tayong sinabi, ginawa. It felt like good at first, no? Especially when we are connecting with our person, no? Kumbaga, we give everything 100%, 'di ba? But then again, nung naibigay mo na siya, I think that your person's kind of like waiting for some more. Baka kasi meron pa siyang, mga expectations, or baka probably ikaw din may mga expectations ka kay person. You may switch the energies, no? The energies may be, I'm reading for you or your person, no? What I'm reading is the dynamic naman. Pero parang nakukulangan. So parang meron higher expectations dito na hindi pa nami-meet, hindi pa rin fully satisfied, no, itong nandito sa relationship na ito, kasi alam niya na marami pang pwedeng ibigay or i-offer, no. So this is your quick reading for January the 19th to the 20th, Taurus.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.